Robinson of the New York Knicks.
Remember, Howard has got 2 50s. He's got a total of 100.
Oh! Wow! Oh!
It's getting ugly in here.
No!
It's getting ugly in here.
Oh my
goodness!
goodness!
It is ugly in here.
It is
That's
so
terrible.
ugly.
Are you kidding me?
What?
Are you?
That's what I'm saying.
Man.
When you get 10s
Yeah.
and then somebody does this,
Yeah,
where
come
do
on.
you go?
You have no other place to
no
go.
other place
Yeah.
to go.
Look! Oh my goodness! Are you
Oh,
kidding
that
me?
was
Okay.
terrific.
Yeah. Wow. I mean,
And it was a bad pass.
And not only that, look how hard it is. Oh, are you kidding me? That's sick.
Let's watch for how high is.
That's sick. And
Look at
another
that.
thing, this isn't fair.
Yeah,
This is not fair. Humans should not be able to make their body go this high and come down, as you say, that hard, Kevin Harlan.
Wait, I think this is what the dunk contest is about, but I think we're going to have assistance from another dunker helping another dunker out. Watch this. This is the assistance dunk.